Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to personalize your desktop icons. So, how to change your desktop icon. So, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your desktop, right click on desktop, go to personalize. After that, you are going to go to themes. Then on the right side, just under related settings, you're gonna find the desktop icon settings. Click on that. And after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this window here. So what this window does is it changes your desktop icon, but you can only change it for, of course, network, AA, users, recycle bin full, and recycle bin empty. So we're gonna change it for network. Just click on that, go to change icon, and you can just choose whatever icon you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Click on OK, apply, and that's it. So now when you see the network, you can actually see the camera or whatever I put, and it actually works. So thank you for today's video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope I see you next time. Bye.